Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to see all games you played in Roblox. So first, you need to open your browser and go to roblox.com and log in to your account on the Roblox website. So you can see now the homepage of Roblox. Then tap the three lines up the top left corner of the screen to open the navigation menu and click on Profile. Then in here, once your profile page is open, scroll down until you see the recently played section on the right hand side of the page. I haven't played on Roblox, so you cannot see them. But under recently played, you will see a list of the games you have played, ordered from the most recent to the least recent played games on Roblox. So that's how to see all games you played in Roblox. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.